guys, it's your girl Kezia Akini, but they have changed the name of my YouTube channel. It's Simple Life of Kezia. Yeah, so today I'm going to do a simple haul. Yesterday I went to Kamkunji and I bought these glasses. Yes, it costed me 250 shillings. There are 6. This is the glass. I hope you guys can see it. Yes, it was going for 350 shillings. Yes, and then I also bought this one. It's usually I call them carton mugs. They're kind of big. 4. One was going for 100 shillings, so I bought 4. I'm dating a Luya guy, so you can imagine why I bought this big cup. Yes. So, hope you are all doing good. I want to wash utensils, as you can see. First, I'm from church, and then I clean the fridge. I want to stock it, so I'd rather wash it. Clean it first. So, how are you guys? How have you been? Hope you guys went to church. So where do you guys go? Guys, I've noticed if I upload shorts, I get more views than if I upload normal videos. So you guys, what do you think? Should I start? Oh, by then I'm still using the shopping bag thingy to wash the utensils. By then from the comments, I saw most people use this thing. It's not Kezia alone. No, I call myself Kezia sometimes. So I'll wash the utensil first. Then we clean the fridge. Tomorrow is a holiday day in Kenya. When I was young, I guess it was called Moi Day. Moi Day, I guess. Moi Day. Then 20th was Kenyatta Day. But nowadays, they've changed the name for Moi Day, and then Kenyatta Day for 20th October is Mashujaa Day. So, okay guys, like my videos and subscribe, please. Even share with your household members, as in people around you. They may stick to 150 subscribers for the longest time. It's not moving. I'm not increasing subscribers, but it is well. Yes, I'm now done with the utensils. I'm using this from JLD LCD Concentrate Light Duty Cleaner for cleaning around the house, kitchen, and workshop. Yes, I just dilute it with water, then I clean the fridge. But first I'll wash the cabinets. So I'll just remove them. Yeah, I'm just removing these things for me to be able to clean the fridge well. So if the cabinets are in, I would be able to clean the fridge well. So these things, you see. Yeah, these are the things I'm washing. See? Then we clean the fridge. Mm. So you'll give me a few minutes, I wash this, then we wash the fridge. See these things for vegetables, ice cube eggs. And these are the kind of things I'm washing. So I'm done with the cleaning. These are the cabinets, I guess. Ile ni ya vegetables. Vitu za mayai. An ice cube. So I'm going to put water. Then I add my solution. Then I start washing the fridge. So by the way, this is my tripod for today. I'll soon buy one.